Hi, welcome back to another video from Prof. Paul B. In the earlier video, we already created the limited entry decision table for our trip to Hawaii, or staying at going to grandma's, or staying home. And now we are actually going to simplify this table. Okay, that's the step we're going to do now. And like we do, whenever we want to simplify a limited entry decision table, best thing to do is to do a copy and paste. Okay, so we have our original here, which we're going to leave there, and we have our new copy right down here that we can work on. This is like our working copy. Okay, so the first thing that we should notice, I remember last time I was talking about always only look at two columns at a time to see if there's one condition that's changing. And that one condition changing is not impacting the outcome. We could still we could still say the same here, but just look, if we just look at here at these four columns all have the same outcome of going to Hawaii. Everybody see that? Because here, as long as we have over $1 million, we're going to Hawaii. And here actually, if we look, if you have over $1 million, you certainly have over $2,000. So there's a little bit of logical inconsistency with these two columns here. These two entries don't really make sense. But what we can do here is we can collapse these four columns into one column. Okay, so how do we do that? Because if we have over $1 million, over $1 million, over $1 million, over $1 million, we're going to Hawaii. Okay, it doesn't matter what the other two are. Okay, see here we're varying the no yes, the yes no, the no no, the yes yes. It doesn't matter. Okay, so what we can do without any whoops. Okay, whoops. Remember, if you put the dash, push enter right away, or else the spreadsheet thinks you are trying to enter a formula. Okay, so now these three columns we can delete. And we're going to shift the cells. Oh, before I do that, I have to select all the way to the bottom. Because if I don't do that, then these guys are not going to get shifted left, and it's going to look a bit weird. Okay, so now look what we have. First of all, these logical inconsistencies are gone. Where we had greater than $1 million, but this column said no, we didn't have greater than 2,000. So that logical inconsistency is gone, and so is this one. But we also see that we've collapsed all four columns into one. And here with the dash, we're saying no, it doesn't matter about the 2K, obviously, and because actually it doesn't really make sense that the 2K will be no. And it doesn't matter what the boss says, because if we have over $1 million, we're saying, well, I'm sorry boss, I need a break, I'm going to Hawaii. And if my job is here when I get back, then that's fine. If it's not, well, I got over $1 million. Maybe I'll stay in Hawaii a little bit longer. Okay, so that's where we got this. And is there any other simplification that we could do? Well, okay, now let's revert back to our old method, right? We check two columns at a time that have the same action, the same outcome. Well, these two have the same outcome. I don't know if we could simplify that. The only way we can simplify it is to put a dash on the top, which means we're always going to Hawaii, which would not work, because if we don't have over $1 million, we can't tell the boss that that we're going to take our time coming back. We want to keep our job, so we can't do that. The only other option or alternative or possibility is here. Can we simplify here? Well, it looks promising, because here there's no no, here's yes no, and here's no no. So there's only one condition condition that's changing, and it's not changing the outcome, right? It's not changing the action that we're taking. We're staying home. Basically what this is saying is if we don't have over $1 million, but our boss says, no, it's not okay to go on vacation, then we're staying home. We're going to work. It doesn't matter if we have over 2,000. We're still going to stay home to work if the boss says, no, it's not okay. So here we can actually collapse this one, even this one a little bit more by putting our dash here, pushing enter, and deleting this column. Okay, so now we have that if we don't have over $1 million, then it doesn't matter if we have 2,000 or more, because this is the case where you have over 2,000, you stay home. This is the case where you don't have over 2,000, you still stay home. So that's why we put the dash. The dash means it doesn't matter. This condition, if this condition is no or false, and if this condition is no or false, then it doesn't matter what this one is. We're going to stay home. If we don't have over $1 million, and if our boss says no, it's not okay for us to go, we're staying home. Okay. So this is the fully simplified version of this limited entry decision table, and this one simplifies quite nicely because of the condition if you're a millionaire or you're going to Hawaii, no matter what. And that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this helps. Thanks.